On this tribe gathering, we were hunting together. We would push through thick bedding areas. We would also check out areas where the pigs would wallow. If we flushed out pigs, we would all go after them.
Smoke that one. I have no idea I'm here. We all split up. I'm pretty sure I heard it go down, and I did. It's right there. So keep an eye out for my arrow. There's the blood. I think it ran up where you are.
It's playing right here.
The arrow?
Yeah, there it is right here.
Oh, okay. That's good. Hopefully I got my stone point. Yeah, lots of blood. Banging around. I gotcha. Yeah, point must still be in it. Hopefully. Oh. I really didn't even hit full draw on it. It was so close. But
Perfect shot.
yeah. I was just waiting till it turned. It was like quartering to me for a little bit, and I didn't want to take that shot. And I was like, they really don't know I'm here. So as soon as it turned, I dropped it. I immediately just saw blood just bubble out of it, so I knew I lunged it right there.
The big one you saw over
That was the biggest one in this
the
group.
one that
Yeah.
kind of bedded down for a little bit.
Yep. Yep. So cool. Yeah, my point must just be right on the inside in here somewhere. So we'll hunt that down later.
I spotted these pigs out in the open, and I was able to close the distance and get a shot. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the shot on video.
Hit.
Well, I hit one. I try to run it down.
We're right past the gate.
There you got it.
He's done now.
He's done now.
Just stab him, Chris. Thanks, Jim. So initially I made a pretty poor shot on him back in the guts, but we were able to get on him a couple times, and because we had a bunch of guys hunting, tribal hunting, we were able to surround him and put multiple finishing shots on him. So yeah, own up to that poor hit, but at the end of the day we had a group of guys that was able to come in and finish the job and help me track it and stuff. So group effort on that. Stone point, a couple stone points. 46 pound Osage bow, self bow, river cane arrows, and yeah, just a really cool method of hunting these things. Doesn't get better than that, so I'm really pleased to have the stone point kill. Appreciate all you guys' help in getting it done. So.